Hi, I'm Austin Cheney here in the 13 WMAZ Weather Center, and we are tracking the tropics for the second time this year. Right now, you're looking at what the National Hurricane Center calls Potential Tropical Cyclone 2. Now, I know that's kind of a confusing name out there, but it's basically just a distinction from the National Hurricane Center that allows them to issue products such as tropical storm watches and warnings, and also that cone of uncertainty. Now, once this system becomes a named storm, it'll become Tropical Storm Barry. So right now, it's hanging out in the northern part of the Gulf of Mexico here. You see showers and thunderstorms are beginning to flare up. But at this point in time, it's still kind of unorganized. The center of circulation is still way up here to the northeast of all the deep convection. So over the next couple days, watch for those to get closer together and more organized. Now, it's going to have plenty of time to set out over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. And because of that, the National Hurricane Center is expecting steady intensification. By Thursday, it'll become a tropical storm. And the last couple runs of the models have even increased the intensity a little bit. So just before landfall now, the National Hurricane Center is expecting a Category 1 hurricane with winds sustained at 85 miles an hour. There's still plenty of time to fine-tune exactly how strong this hurricane will be, but we know it's going to be moving towards the west, and we know it's going to be impacting areas along either the Texas coastline or the Louisiana coastline. Once it makes its way on shore, it'll of course begin to weaken as it interacts with land. So as we send the maps into motion, here's how the storm is going to play out. Again, over the next couple days, it'll be gaining strength over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. And at the same time, even though it's not onshore at this time, it'll be sending plenty of Gulf moisture northward. That moisture is going to interact with this cold front to produce showers and thunderstorms and potentially some heavy rain across parts of the southeast. Then as we get closer towards this weekend, then we have to shift our attention back towards the coast. So here we are Friday afternoon, and the storm again is nearing either the Texas or Louisiana coastline. And also at that time is when we could be looking at a hurricane. So we have to fine-tune that intensity forecast as we get closer towards this weekend. As far as rainfall totals go, across much of the southeast, we're just going to be looking at the potential for a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain as those scattered showers develop in that tropical atmosphere. Now, as we look further back out towards the west, everywhere where we see those yellows beginning to show up on the map, we're talking 5 to 10 inches of rainfall. And so we could be looking at flooding there across parts of Louisiana, then up into Arkansas. And inland flooding is the greatest threat with any landfalling tropical cyclone for areas that aren't along the coast. So that's something we'll have to watch over the next couple days. I'll continue to have updates on my Facebook page and, of course, online at 13WMAZ.com.